We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the SpaLife Cooling Eye Pads. These eye pads are designed to offer a luxurious, at-home eye treatment that targets common concerns such as fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles. The product comes with 48 pads, enough for 24 treatments, infused with cucumber and natural fruit and vegetable extracts to hydrate and refresh the delicate skin around the eyes. Users consistently praise the cooling and soothing sensation these pads provide. Many highlight the generous amount of moisture and serum in each pad, which prevents dryness and enhances the hydrating effect. The cucumber infusion is noted for its refreshing quality, helping to reduce puffiness and dark circles while imparting a youthful glow. This natural ingredient is rich in vitamins and minerals, which contribute to skin hydration and wrinkle prevention. The application process is straightforward and relaxing. After cleansing the face, users place a pad over each eye and relax for 5 to 15 minutes. Some users recommend refrigerating the pads beforehand for an extra cooling experience. The pads are thin, which some find requires a bit of adjustment to fit the eye area properly, but this thinness also allows the serum to absorb effectively. One notable advantage is the long-lasting supply. With 48 pads included, users have enough for multiple treatments over several weeks, making it a cost-effective option for ongoing eye care. This quantity also makes the product suitable for group settings like spa parties, where several people can enjoy the treatment simultaneously. Some users have reported a slimy texture which they did not prefer, favoring a more liquid feel. However, this is subjective and does not detract from the overall effectiveness of the product. A few users have expressed dissatisfaction, citing personal preference or skin sensitivity, but these cases are in the minority. The pads are gentle enough to be used even on sensitive skin, as evidenced by a user who included their young granddaughter in a spa day without any irritation. This speaks to the product's mild formulation and suitability for a wide range of skin types. In terms of performance, the pads deliver on their promise to revitalize and hydrate the eye area. Regular use can help diminish the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, while the moisturizing properties contribute to smoother, softer skin. The product's ease of use and refreshing effect make it a pleasant addition to any skincare routine. Overall, the SpaLife Cooling Eye Pads offer excellent value for their price. They combine natural ingredients with effective hydration and soothing properties, backed by positive user feedback from various sources. If you have this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and make it easy for you to find. This review is based on extensive user feedback and product details to provide a thorough understanding of the SpaLife Cooling Eye Pads' benefits and drawbacks. Whether for personal use or group relaxation, these eye pads stand out as a practical and enjoyable skincare solution.